I am going to show you designs that made more than $112,500 in revenue in just 8 days by doing print on demand. I will also be showing you the very website on which this guy is selling more than $300,000 a month with just print on demand. If you are someone who is interested in print on demand business model, then make sure to watch the entire video, because a lot of valuable information is in the video. I found this design which recently grabbed my attention. This advertisement has got over 500 engagements on it, however this may sound quite less. But still I decided to visit his official page so that I can have a look of the real post. When you click this black sign you will be redirected to the original post. And here we are. This is his real post, and you can see that till now this post has got more than 18,000 reactions on it, with nearly 2,000 people commenting on it, and 10,000 people sharing the post. In my last video I showed you that, with more than 70,000 engagement, that post got 20,000 shares. However, in this post, 10,000 people have shared this post, out of 18,000 reacting on it. That means almost half of people are sharing this post, which shows great audience engagement and emotional connection with the post. And this is really a very positive sign for any Facebook ad campaign. It shows that the ad is doing really good. Look at the design. The design is quite complicated but looks beautiful. This design attracts anyone who loves her mom, and triggers emotions for mom. Hence the design is very strategically and smartly designed. Let's have a look at it, into his store. This is the basic design he is selling, and you can see that he is selling blanket. However, I will show you that he is selling t-shirt, hoodies and mugs also, with same designs. Let me show you how much he made with this design. We will take a conservative estimate. 5% of total reactions on post is 900, and if we multiply 900 with the average price of product, then we get $45,000 in sales, that too in just 8 days, and if my calculation is right, then this guy have made more than $20,000 in profit with just one design. Let's take a look at other designs also in his page. This design was posted on March 6th, and now it has gained more than 14,000 reactions, in just 9 days. This has been promoted by Facebook ads. This design was posted on March 7th, and now it has gained more than 29,000 reactions, in just 8 days. This campaign must have been a big success. This one is also a promoted campaign. Here comes the hero of the day. This design has been sold over $100,000 in just 8 days. This campaign has got nearly 45,000 reactions on it, and over 16,000 post shares. Let's calculate revenue with 5% formula. And you can see this design has made over $112,500 in just 8 days. Let's visit his store, and see what are his store strategies. Before we do that, let's take a quick overview. The store focuses on different relations, like mom, dad, daughter, son, etc. And they make designs which have strong emotions connection. And according to my estimate, which is very conservative, the store makes at least $300,000 to $500,000 a month. Let's take a look of his store. You can see t-shirts, blankets, hoodies, with designs that connects to any close relationship. Let's take a look at his strategy. He has used Facebook ads to scale. All his designs were not just meaningful, they were attractive and beautiful also. And as I said before, the designs trigger emotions. So what exactly worked most for them? One of the strongest factors I think that worked for them is Facebook ads targeting. Let me show you his ads targeting. Very smartly they have targeted females of age between 41 and 54. Females are generally more emotional than men's, at least when it comes to mom. However, it's not the case always, but we have to think in terms of majority. The another factor I think is the emotions. The emotions in designs are very hard. They basically don't sell products. They sell emotions. With their emotional designs, they converted a random person scrolling on Facebook into a buyer. So what are the key takeaways for you? If your Facebook ads targeting is wrong, then nothing is gonna go right. So, do a proper research upon targeting, before just putting money and posting ad. Second key takeaway for you, is to build community. You should make social accounts for your store, on different social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook etc., and start posting content that attracts the kind of audience you want for your niche. Third key takeaway is whenever you design a product, must focus on what kind of emotions this can trigger. Are those emotions strong enough for someone to stop scrolling and pick out the credit card and buy your product? Just think in this way and you will get the answer. Another key takeaway from this website is your design should look beautiful also, especially when you are targeting women's. However, we have seen very simple designs scaling hundreds of thousands of dollars. So it's not hardline rule. You can go either way. Just think about your target audience and their liking and preferences. If you want to check out this software, which I use to spy into others' Facebook ads, then links are in description. And when you press that like button, it comes to me as an appreciation. So, press that like button, if you want me to come up with more such case studies.
So, the next step that I want to show you guys is hacking the system for print-on-demand designs. How do you get an unlimited supply of designs? And I know a lot of you guys were like, hey, yes, I would want to learn that. So this is the time to pay attention. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of here, and I'll actually try to pull up my computer screen. Ooh, that's very small. It's not the first time somebody's heard that. So guys, I don't know why you guys are laughing. All right, let's talk about business now. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys a cool little trick. Actually, two of those. So this website right here. How many of you guys have actually seen this website before, have heard about this website before, or actually bought something from this website? There you go. All right, only 2 people? That's it? Wow. No problem. Well, that means that it's a really cool thing because you're going to learn something really new today. So let's say if you wanna go for the cat niche because it seems like that's all the rage right now. All right. So let's say you go to this website.